Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to sponsor someone on Cash App. So guys, this video is a step-by-step guide, so just follow along. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up the Cash App on your mobile device, and then from the home screen, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. And then after that guys, scroll down and tap on family accounts. And then guys, after that, simply you need to tap on invite a team at the bottom of the screen. And after that, the app will provide you with a unique invite link. Tap on copy option to copy the invite link on the clipboard. And you can then share the invite link with your team through messaging app guys or email or other communication channel. And once you send an invite, to someone from 13 to 17, create a Cash App account and you'll be able to track the sponsored accounts activity from your Cash App. And there you go. That's how to sponsor someone on Cash App. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.